Welcome to Kanerika's security model demo. Every organization faces a major challenge when migrating documents and data from platforms like SharePoint, which is keeping the access controls intact. While files get transferred, permission structures often get overlooked, leaving sensitive content exposed and turning a simple migration into a security risk. Kanerika's security model is designed to prevent exactly that. Our solution automatically fetches and transfers your existing access permissions to the new platform, so the same security rules follow your data, no matter where it goes. For example, if you want to access information stored in SharePoint, you don't need to sift through endless folders. Just ask our SharePoint Copilot in simple, natural language, and you'll get the answer, provided you have the right permissions. And here's the best part. If you migrate from SharePoint to another platform, you won't just move your files, you'll retain every access control you had before. Once permissions are in place, you can connect the database to LLM agents like Kanerika's DocGPT for instant answers, complete with citations and insights. Now let's look at how our security model actually works. First, we connect SharePoint to Azure using the Azure application, where we define filters to ensure only authorized queries are allowed. Once Azure authenticates the query, SharePoint performs additional permission validation. When both checks pass, the system retrieves security data and stores it in an access table. This table gives us a clear picture of who has access to which documents and at what level. Our solution is built around 3 key modules. The first module retrieves all files and folders a user can access. This only needs read permissions for quick retrieval. The second module gathers all users and their groups within the site, requiring site admin access. Then comes the most critical part. The third module generates the complete access table. This identifies each user's access level, whether they can read, edit, or have full control over specific documents. By leveraging our security model, you can seamlessly migrate or vectorize data without the concern of losing any access privileges. Here's a quick recap of what we discussed. First, we explained how migrating to new platforms can lead to lost access controls. Second, we demonstrated how SharePoint Copilot lets you get the information you need using natural language, only if you're authorized to see it. Next, we showed how Kanerika's security model ensures your existing permissions move with your data during migration. Then, we outlined our 3-module process that retrieves files, maps user groups, and builds an access table. And finally, we highlighted how this means you can migrate or modernize your data, knowing your access privileges remain intact. If you're looking to secure your platform migrations and preserve access controls, get in touch with Kanerika today at www.kanerika.com/meet.